Hello everyone, welcome back to Azay. Today we have a super exciting topic that's going to elevate your fashion game to a whole new level. We're talking about how to style sneakers like a celebrity. Sneakers have become a fashion staple, and celebrities all over the world are showing us how to rock them with style and flair. Whether you're a sneaker enthusiast or just getting into the sneaker game, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned because we're about to spill all the celebrity-inspired secrets on how to make your sneakers the star of your outfit. Let's dive right in. The first step to styling sneakers like a celebrity is choosing the right pair. Celebrities often opt for classic, versatile sneakers that can be paired with multiple outfits. Think white sneakers, trendy chunky sneakers, or iconic designer collaborations. Pay attention to the fit, comfort, and overall aesthetic. Remember, your sneakers are the foundation of your look, so choose wisely. Now, let's talk about some casual chic looks. Celebrities love pairing sneakers with high-waisted jeans and a simple t-shirt. You can also throw on a leather jacket for an edgier vibe. Another popular choice is pairing sneakers with a flowy sundress or a midi skirt. This combination exudes effortlessness and style, perfect for a day out or brunch with friends. Athleisure is a trend that celebrities have mastered. To achieve this look, pair your sneakers with leggings or joggers. Top it off with a crop top or a hoodie and a stylish bomber jacket. Accessorize with a baseball cap or oversized sunglasses for that added celebrity touch. Athleisure is not just comfortable, but incredibly fashionable, making it a favorite among celebrities. Now let's glam it up. Yes, you can wear sneakers for a night out and look absolutely fabulous. Opt for a pair of sleek black sneakers and pair them with a stylish jumpsuit or a sequined dress. Add some statement jewelry and a clutch bag to complete the look. This combination of glamour and comfort is a favorite on the red carpet and at exclusive events. Lastly, taking care of your sneakers is essential to keep them looking fresh and celebrity-worthy. Regularly clean your sneakers using a gentle brush and mild detergent. For white sneakers, a mixture of baking soda and water can work wonders. Also, invest in sneaker protectors to prevent stains and water damage. Remember, well-maintained sneakers always elevate your style game. There you have it, everyone. Our guide on how to style sneakers like a celebrity. Whether you're going for a casual look, embracing athleisure, or stepping out in glamour, sneakers can be your best fashion companion. Don't forget to choose the right pair, experiment with different outfits, and most importantly, have fun with your style. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fashion tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay stylish and keep rocking those sneakers like a celebrity. Bye for now.